BuddyNext. Keep your community one tap away. BuddyNext can install on your phone or desktop like an app with nothing to download from an app store. The whole experience is driven by your browser, so there is no setup for you to do. In a supported browser, it simply offers to install the community when you visit. On a phone, that is Add to Home screen, and on desktop Chrome or Edge, it is an install icon in the address bar. Once installed, the community gets its own home screen icon, a brand colored tile with your site's initial. Tap that icon and it opens in its own full window without the browser address bar and toolbars. Inside, you move through the feed, spaces, profiles and messages exactly as you do on the web, just in a focused app-like view. The first load caches the home shell, so tapping the icon offline still opens the app instead of an error page. Pages you have already visited may load from the cache too, while deeper pages you never opened still need a connection. One note: browsers only. Now your community lives one tap away, just like a real app. That is the member guide. Go make it yours.